I'm warm. Bob isn't warm. Bob's cold. London to Edinburgh. 3 people. £100. 5 days. This is the London to Edinburgh Challenge. I'm in Edinburgh. Fran is here. Paula is in London. And Bob is in Cambridge. Bob is in Cambridge. He's cold and he doesn't have a coat.
I'm in Cambridge. My train leaves in 3 hours. It's very cold today. I want a coat.
So, Bob wants a coat.
Hi. I want a coat. I want a warm coat. It's very cold today.
Black? Yellow. Red? Maybe red. Small. Medium? Large? Yeah. I want a small black coat. Oh, it's so warm. But £50? Oh, it's expensive.
Fran is still cycling. Paula is on the bus. And Bob has a coat. It's cold.
It's very cold today.
So, Bob wants a coat.
I want a coat.
Small. Small. Medium? Large. Black? Black? Yellow. Red? I want a small black coat.
It's a warm coat.
It's so warm.
But it's expensive.
It's expensive.
Oh, Bob. Next time on the London to Edinburgh Challenge,
Water, please.